Hello everyone, I am Ritik Goswami, MBA, FMB, Finance and Markets and Banking Specialization. Today I will talk about the one income tax case, CIT versus Orient Ceramics and Industrial Limited, 2013, 358 ITR 49 Delhi. The Delhi High Court tackled significant issue related to the deductibility of business expenses under the Income Tax Act, specifically focusing on Section 37, Subsection 1. Issue understanding in this case. The ceramic issue in this case was whether the expenses incurred by Orient Ceramics for purchasing raw materials later identified as a substandard could be legitimately deducted from their taxable income. The the income tax department challenged this deduction on the grounds that the poor quality of the material undermined the claim that these expenditures were incurred for the purpose of the business. Essentially, the dispute revolved around whether the quality of the materials impacted the deductibility of the expenses. Relevant provision of this case, Section 37, Section 1 of the Income Tax Act is pivotal in determining the deductibility of business expenses. This section stipulates that any expenditure incurred wholly and exclusively for the purpose of the business can be claimed as a deduction. Therefore, the uh, interpretation of what constitute a legitimate business expenses become crucial in this case, as it is laid the foundation for the court decision. So, the case laws in this case, in reaching its decision, the Delhi High Court cited various precedents emphasizing that the connection between the expenditure and the business activity is vital, regardless of the final result of the expenses. The court highlighted earlier rulings which stabilize that businesses often face inherent risk, and that legitimate expenses should not be disallowed merely due to negative outcomes. This aligns with a broader legal principle advocating for the protection of genuine business operations against unforeseen adversities. Analysis in this case, the court undertook a thorough analysis of the fact, emphasizing the initiation behind the expenditure. It found that the mere fact that the raw material were of inferior quality did not diminish the business related nature of the expenses. The High Court pointed out that legitimate business activities involve a degree of risk, and penalizing a business for incurring losses on materials purchased in good faith would discourage entrepreneurial initiative. The ruling reinforced the idea that tax policy should facilitate business operations by allowing genuine expense to be claimed as a deductions, promoting a healthy business environment. Judicial remark in this case, the High Court made significant remark regarding the nature of tax laws. It stressed that genuine business expansion should not be disallowed simply because the outcomes were unfavorable. The court emphasizing that tax legislation should support legitimate business operations, those promoting economic activities, rather than offsetting it due to unforeseen circumstances related to material quality or other operation risks. So, conclusion of this case, the Delhi High Court ruled in favor of Orient Ceramics, allowing the deduction of the considered decision reframed the principle that expenditure incurred with a genuine business initially qualify the deduction under section 37 subsection 1. The ruling not only providing clarity in tax law but also encouraged businesses to take necessary risks without the fear of a punitive tax implication. This case has significant implication for the interpretation of business expenses within income tax law, serving as an essential precedent for future cases dealing dealing with a similar issue of expenses, deductibility, and the risk associated with business operations. So, thank you so much.